What's up everyone, Alan Morrow here and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use LFO tool in a really cool way to kind of chop and change, create different rhythms, different gates and stuff like that for your tracks. This can be across all different sorts of sounds, but generally you can do this with best results probably from your percussion really, which is what I'm going to be showing you today. And if you'd like to hit that subscribe and notification bell before we get into the video, if you are looking for future videos like this to help you with your productions, and if you're looking for more in-depth stuff, then be sure to head over to alanmorrowstudios.com, where there is currently a buy two get one free sale now on. It'll be ending soon. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so what I've got here is, well, you'll see I've got 4 LFOs opened up, set to this particular preset, which I'll leave in the description below for you to download it and make your life a little bit easier. Basically, what I've got here is 4 different percussion loops going on, just for the purpose of this demonstration. So I'll just play it for you now. And on each single channel, I have an LFO tool set up like this. So this could be done whenever you really want. Sometimes doing this when you've got like all your loops in place and you want to sort of have a little go at creating some different grooves. But it's a great way to kind of, instead of chopping up loops and trying different bits of one loop with another loop, this is a great and quicker way to sort of try these different things and also get some kind of unique sort of grooves from your loops. So what this is it just diced into 16ths here. So if I just play the first one for the moment, which is this one, we can actually turn these on as well if we wanted to, just to sort of see what's going on. But what we can come and do here is press Shift, and providing this is set to 16, it already is in the preset, we can just come in and start to chop bits of it up. So we can get a nice little groove from it straight away, or a different groove to what's already playing. But the beauty of this, when you've got all 4 of them open, is you can do stuff like this. So very quickly, you can get different rhythms there for your sounds. Let's have a little go and play with a few more. And you could obviously as well also change these to say 1/8 or whatever you want really, to help you, again, just different types of rhythms. So it'd be great for if you're sort of creating your own kind of loops and stuff like that. It's just a really cool way to kind of like gate things or cut bits out without having to go in and chop them all up, you know. You could also do this with, for example, like acid sounds or pads or anything like that. And obviously, I've not kind of mixed the levels right or anything like this. This is just for the purpose. Just added a little bit of reverb on each of them. But again, just a little quick tip for you today. I hope you may get something from this, or hopefully get some really cool ideas out of it. Let me know in the comment section below if there's anything that you would use this on, or how it might be sort of valuable to yourself, or, you know, anything that you've tried it on that you never thought to use it on before. Let me know what you think. And thanks a lot for watching. Cheers. I'll see you in the next one.